Hello YouTube, this is I can't speak. This is DaretoBeCreative. Hello, how you guys are doing this evening? Hope everybody's doing well and safe. And I decided just to show you a haul. Some of it is old and some of it is new. And I had put my bag inside of a bag and left it. Forgot to do video. Anyway, so I had I was buying a little brush set. Actually, the brush set for my grandson, and I picked that up. And then I had picked this up. I love these like wig brushes, I guess you can call them. But you know, these are really cool for mixed media. And so I had just taken this loose, and then this was just a regular brush. But you could use this to drag some paint in. And so I said, let me pick this stuff up. I was going to put it in the bathroom. And I said, oh, I can just put this in my haul. And just some hair gel because can't find anything. And I had got a pack of socks just to wear around my craft room. Well, a pack of socks. And I had to get another lighter in case we ever need it for some candles or something, just as backup. A shower curtain liner, the disposable ones for $1. Just get one each month, get rid of them. I got some of these micro fiber washcloths. I got a couple packs of these because my thing is that paper towels prices keep going up. I don't see the point. I'm sitting at home. I can use these, you know, to clean up a spill, which I really don't have a lot of spills. But, you know, if you wash your hands, get wet, you can use some of these. So, bought a few packs of those just to have those because it's easier. You got to wash your clothes anyway. So, and these are reusable versus the paper towels that aren't. And with everything going up, I'm like, might need to think a little bit more wisely with all the things that's going on with the price gouging and increasing and everything, and you know, everything having shortage. So figured I'd get some extra one of those. So I got a few packs of those. So that's kind of the non-crafty stuff. Then I had a couple things that I hadn't shown that are old from my Dollar Tree haul I had a while back, and that was these. I had like 4 packs of these. These little fashion dots, and I use some of these in some journals that you see. And then I just took these out, took them loose, these pens. But I like these little pens that I get from Dollar Tree, and they come in colors. I get the 0.7. I just opened all this up and I said, oh, I didn't make a video. These are 0.7. I like the black and the blue. I think they write well. They have 0.5 and I think 0.3, but I like the 0.7. I like my ink a little thicker. Hadn't had a problem with them exploding or anything like that. And then I use these colored ones in my Bible journaling, my scripture writing, and my planners too. So I use that. You might see some of these pens used in my videos on my other channel, his Scribe. And then I have picked up also some Scotch tape. And then I got these permanent markers. I picked them up just because the colors were different. For my grandson to try to get him to use other colors, but he just sticks with black. I mean, like literally he loves to draw with just black. I've given him some Primo pens that are not Primo. It was a cheap brand that I got from Hobby Lobby. They held clearance for like $2.50 colored pencils. He'll start out with it, but he always end up going back to black. I'm like, color with different pencils. He loves to draw and doodle, but just trying to get him to use different colors. And then I also had these for a while with that one. I hadn't showed them, but this is some of the stencils. This has the numbers written out, and then some of the math signs. If you can see that. This one, floral flowers, and you know, you can do a lot of things with stencils. This is a Parisian theme. Again, I'm sure you probably can't really see them too well. I do apologize for that. But it's a stencil, so it's kind of clear. This is the wedding one, but I think we kind of get the gist of the outline. And they had plenty more. And this is a travel one. There were probably another maybe 8 or 9 designs. There's about 15 different designs altogether that I think they had this last time though when I got these. But altogether I've seen other ones that weren't there when I went through it that time. So quite a few of them. So you know, be on the lookout for those if you haven't seen them. Like I said, that's not anything new. These were near the socks for decorations, but I'm like, these about 0.3 millimeters, and I'm like, I can use these. They do come with glue because this is really like to bling out your tennis shoes or whatever. But I'm like, hey, can you use those little pearls? I don't have my AC Moores around here anymore to close, so that's why I used to get my little bling from AC Moore. They had the best bling and all the different color rhinestones. I'm gonna miss that. Locally having that. Did get some ribbon, some gingham. So we got the green, the red, the orange, the pink, the blue, and the buffalo plaid. So they're all 3 yards. And you know, I showed, or you see it in the next haul or the one before this one. This is the 50 ribbon rosettes. So I got from the Dollar Tree. And so, hey, I can try something in here, maybe, to do with the ribbon. And then last but not least, I was able to get some sparkle yarn. Now, this is the Crafter Square yarn. Our store has been, you know, having the yarn, the regular yarn, probably, I guess, December, January time frame. But I haven't been to the Dollar Tree, really. So, they may have been having it, but I just hadn't felt like going. So, I've been missing it. And then I finally had to go do this thing with my daughter. We went to go get some books, and so I said, let me look, and lo and behold, they was there. So I was excited to get that, and watching all the projects people were making with it, and I like yarn anyway, so cool. So that was all the different colors. These are all the ones that I've seen. The dark pink, the peach, the light pink, the white, the green, and the blue. So I don't think there's any other ones. So anyway, that is my haul. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. Pray you guys are safe, take well, and I dare you to be creative, and I dare you to stay safe. Take care. God bless.